Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Office 2007. So in this video I am going to show you about Hlookup, means horizontal lookup. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Office 2007. So coming back to the video, I have already put a data over here, which is a student list as usual. Now I want to calculate the total, so I am putting the formula equal to sum and then selecting the marks of the students and then enter. Like this I can drag the formula for all the students. Then now here I have to calculate the percentage of individual students, so I will use the formula average and select their marks. Or another method for calculating average is just put equal to and select the total of the student and divide by number of subjects. So here I've written 6 subjects, I will use divide by 6. So here's it, and I have dragged that also. So now let's start the point Hlookup. Now here I want to see Henry's total marks, so I will write Henry and total over here. Now I will use the formula Hlookup. First thing it's asking is lookup value. Lookup value means what we are looking for, and in Hlookup we will be looking horizontally, means row wise. So lookup value is total over here, so I am taking total here and then comma, and the next option is table array. Table array means our whole data, so I've selected a whole data here, then next comma. Now here it's asking row index number, which means Henry is in which row we have to put that number over here. So let's count it. It's third row here, so I will write here 3, then comma. Now in range lookup it is asking us two options: true approximate match and false exact match. Means true approximate match means it will be near to the total of the Henry, and the second option exact matches means it will give us the answer exactly what it is. So I will select exact match. So here it is, as you can see it's showing me 434 total, which is correct and accurate. Now if I want to check the percentage of Henry, I can use the percentage heading over here. I will just put percentage heading over here and it will automatically change the number. See, as you can see it's 72 here, and here also it is showing 72. If you want to check individual subject wise, so you can just put the heading over here and press enter. It will automatically update the cells. So this is Hlookup option, and if you want to see the data of all the students, you just copy them, and after copying that you can just drag the formula. Now here we'll just update the formula. I will change the heading over here. I just want to check total of all the students here. See, as you can see it have already changed false total over here. I just have to update the row number over here, which is 2. See, it has updated. Now I will just drag it. Let's see it will update or not. See, as you can see it is automatically updating all the students percentage marks totals. And if you want to check the percentages, just change the heading to percentage and then just press enter. It will automatically update all the students mark list, which is percentage which you want to show. We just have to put the heading over here, and it will automatically change all the data according to the cell heading. So this is Hlookup, means horizontal lookup. My previous video on VLOOKUP is also there on YouTube. You can check it. It is mentioned in very detailed form. So thank you very much guys. I will end it over here. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do comment that did you like the video or not.